My name is Justin Botter, National Fleet Manager, Giant Tiger Wholesale Limited. I think first and foremost, this is a recognition that shows to our driver. It shows the hard work and dedication they put in every day, and it just represents us being one of the safest private fleets in Canada. The biggest improvement we've made is strengthening our partnership within Geotab. So if you look at what Geotab has done for Tiger Trucking, has helped us to improve by getting data, by having bolt-ons in marketplace, just overall helping us to build an ecosystem of safety. Partnership is everything in this business, and same with relationships. I would say the relationship that we have, and I myself especially with Geotab, is phenomenal. Transparency is the biggest key for improvements. When drivers trust the message, when drivers trust the software, that will represent and transcend through your fleet, and on the back end, that's where you get the results.